We monitor tanks, believe it or not, in a refinery. We're not monitoring process tanks. We're monitoring chemical tanks. There's chemical suppliers that put chemicals in to aid in the refining process, and they want to manage that inventory from afar. In fact, the refinery wants them to manage that inventory from afar and to reduce or eliminate that trip of the salesperson or service provider to come in the refinery and stick the tank or monitor the tank. We do that remotely. It does not connect to any of the refinery IT infrastructure. It's a cellular-based, battery-powered device. You can put your tank in there. You can put this in the 2-inch threaded port or in a chemical tank. This non-contact radar sensing technology will peer through the top of that wall, and you've got level measurement in the refinery. You use that to determine when to service or fill the tank, but also to understand the consumption rate and that the refinery is using your chemical.